Apple releases iOS 17 Beta 5, and today we will talk about what's new in it and should you install it. My name is Maxim, let's go. First of all, let's talk about the size of this version. It's about 1 GB if you're updating from the iOS 17 Beta 4. Apple also releases some other beta updates, such as macOS, iPadOS, watchOS and of course tvOS. If we are talking about what's new in this beta, there are some new features. Apple updated the design of lock and motion screen in the Health app. Now there is a new suggestion for searching TV remote in the TV remote app, but unfortunately you can't use it right now because the feature will be available only this fall, and it will allow you to search your Siri remote just as you are searching your AirPods with Find My app. There is a new animation when you hit the plus button on iMessage app. It became much smoother. For App Store downloads, Apple is not longer using all caps for the download buttons, and there are some small tweaks for live voicemail, which allows more comfortable usage. If we are talking about performance, I installed this beta on my iPhone 14 Pro and it's pretty good. It's the same as beta 4 and it's working pretty fine. So, should you install this beta version of iOS? I think if you are running right now iOS 17 beta 4 or iOS 17 some another betas, yeah, why not? You should install it. If you are running some of the iOS 16 releases, I think it would better to wait a release which will come in September. So this is all you need to know about iOS 17 beta 5. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to let me know your opinion about this beta on the comment section below. And finally, have a good day, bye!